right, let's talk about something you probably don't think about twice. That simple cardboard box that lands on your doorstep? Yeah, you might see it as just packaging, disposable. But what if I told you it's actually one of the most highly engineered, high-tech products you'll handle all week? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the secret life of the box.
Come on, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? That little buzz of excitement, that satisfaction as you tear open the seal and get to what's inside. It's this universal feeling, and believe me, it is absolutely not an accident.
That whole unboxing moment, it's completely by design. It has become this incredibly powerful marketing tool that actually makes the thing inside feel more valuable. And get this, for high-end luxury stuff, the packaging can grab more than half of your attention. It's basically the first chapter in the story of the product you just bought.
So, okay, let's go from that feeling to the physical object itself. What are these things actually made of? What makes them so much more than just a simple container? Okay, first up, this is the star of the show for anything high-end. The luxury rigid box. You know, the kind of box your new phone came in, or a nice watch, or maybe some fancy jewelry. It's built from this super dense paperboard, and its job isn't just to protect what's inside, it's to present it. That solid premium feel is a huge part of the whole luxury experience. But hey, all this cool innovation isn't just for fancy stuff. Meet the bag-in-box. You've definitely seen these for things like wine or juice, and it's a totally brilliant design. You've got the strong, flexible bag tucked inside a regular cardboard box. This combo is amazing because it keeps air out, which makes the product last way longer. Plus, it's super efficient to ship and store. So really, this brings us to the two big families in the packaging world. Over here, you have rigid packaging. It holds its shape, offers the best protection. Our luxury boxes are a perfect example. And over here, you have flexible packaging. Think bags, pouches, that kind of thing. They're lightweight, cheaper, and save space. For today, though, we're going to stay in that rigid world, because that's where some of the most mind-blowing engineering is happening.
Okay, so now we know what these boxes are. But the bigger question is, why? Why are they getting so complex, so smart? Well, it turns out there are some massive global trends that are driving all of this incredible innovation.
And let's just talk about the scale here for a second. That bag-in-box market we just mentioned, by 2034, it's expected to be worth over $6.4 billion. And that's just one tiny sliver of this gigantic industry.
And it's the same story for luxury boxes. That market is on track to hit almost $6.7 billion. The main thing to see here is that this isn't some small niche industry. We're talking about a booming, multi-billion-dollar global business that's growing every single year. So, what's fueling all this crazy growth? It really boils down to three main things. First, the e-commerce boom. I mean, we're all ordering more stuff online, and we need boxes that can actually survive that long journey to our front door. Second, sustainability. Everyone, from customers to governments, is pushing for greener, more eco-friendly materials. And third, what they call the experience economy. And that brings us right back to square one. That unboxing moment has become a non-negotiable part of the brand itself.
So how on earth do you meet all these different demands at once? You need durability, sustainability, and a premium experience. How is that even possible? Well, the answer is in the factory. So let's take a quick peek behind the curtain.
Yeah, forget about just folding cardboard by hand. We are talking about machines like this, a fully auto rigid box machine. This is the beast that creates those super precise, super sturdy premium boxes, and it does it at unbelievable speeds. Or check this out, a polygon rigid box wrapper. This is the kind of specialized tech that creates those unique, funky shapes. You know, the hexagonal or octagonal boxes that really make a product pop. These are designs that used to be basically impossible to make on a large scale.
And you know that really satisfying snap you get from a magnetic lid on a box? Well, you can thank a fully auto magnet closure box machine for that. It perfectly embeds tiny magnets right into the structure of the box, over and over again.
And finally, robots bring it all home. An auto-rigid box forming robot is what makes sure every single box is absolutely perfect. It's this incredible combination of precision and pure, raw efficiency. And look, this isn't some sci-fi movie. This is happening right now. A manager named James Miller over at Pack Pro Industries said their new machine significantly improved our production efficiency. This tech is on the factory floor, changing the game as we speak. So if all this incredible technology is already here, what could possibly be next? Where is this massive multi-billion-dollar industry even heading? Let's take a look into the future.
First off, the growth is just everywhere. This chart shows you the yearly growth rates for different kinds of packaging. You've got bag-in-box leading the pack, but collapsible containers and luxury boxes are right there too. The whole industry is expanding and pushing forward.
And the next giant leap forward? Well, it's being powered by artificial intelligence. I mean, get this. AI is designing brand new boxes that are somehow both stronger and lighter. It's running the robots, doing assembly and quality checks. It's even predicting when a machine needs repairs before it breaks down. And maybe the wildest part? It's starting to make personalized packaging possible. A box designed and made for just one person.
So the next time a package shows up at your door, just pause for a second. Take a closer look. Because it's not just a box, it's this amazing product of global economics, cutting-edge robotics, and sustainable science. It is telling a story of incredible innovation. The only real question left is, what story will it tell you?